I welcome you on my channel Maths by Avinash. In this class, we are going to discuss problem based on quadrilateral. So, shall we start our class? This is problem based on NCERT exercise 8.1. Our first problem is so that the diagonals of the square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. This is one of the most important question. At right angle. What the question is said? We have a square. Draw the figure. We have a square ABCD and these are two diagonals. First diagonal is AC, second diagonal is BD. So we have to prove that AC equals to BD and AC-BD intersect at right angle. See how we solve this sum. First we'll write the given. What is given? ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square in which AC and BD are diagonal. Then what we have to prove? To prove what? AC equals to BD and both diagonal perpendicular to each other. AC perpendicular to BD. This is we have to prove. Now, proof. First of all, you have to take triangle ABC. This one. Triangle ABC. ABC and triangle BAD. Triangle BAD. In which side AB equals to AB is common as shown in figure. This is common. BC equals to AD, sides of square. BC equals to AD, sides of square. Sides of a square and angle. We know that by properties of square each angle is 90 degree. You write what? ABC equals to BAD. Why? This is 90. Therefore, what we said? Therefore, our triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS congruency. We know that when triangle are congruent, then what we said? When triangle are congruent by CPCT, what we said? AC equals to BD. AC equals to BD by CPCT. Clear? Now similarly, in triangle A, this intersect at O, AOB and triangle AOD, OB equals to OD. Why? We know that diagonal of parallelogram are intersect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Clear? And side AB equals to AD, sides of square. Sides of square. And C, OA equals to A, common. Then what we said, therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD by SS congruency. When triangle are congruent, then what we said, therefore angle AOB equals to angle AOD by CPCT. We know that. But what we write, angle AOB and angle AOD, this forms linear pair. Right here, angle AOB plus angle AOD equals to 180 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. Therefore, what we write, angle AOB equals to angle AOD equals to 90 degree. Thus, what we said, thus OA perpendicular to PD, that is our diagonal AC perpendicular to BD. Hence, what we said, hence AC equals to BD and AC perpendicular to BD. Proved. I hope this sum is clear to you. Our next sum of exercise 8.1, question number 6 is diagonal of AC of a parallelogram. Diagonal of AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A, then so that what we have to show, our case first is it bisect angle C, and our case 2 is ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Figure is already given in question. We have this figure ABCD in which these are already given. This is the bisector of angle A. This is already given. Now, how we show that? First we have to do case first. What is given? A parallelogram ABCD in which diagonal AC bisect angle A, in which AC diagonal bisect angle A. When it bisect angle A, it means what? That is angle DAC equals to angle BAC. Clear? Next, angle, see carefully, angle DAC equals to angle BCA DAC. This one represented by angle 1, this is represented by angle 2. Clear? This angle represented by 3, this angle represented by 4. So we have to directly write like that. What we write? Angle 1 is equals to angle 2, alternate angle, same as angle 3 equals to angle 4. What is the reason? Same reason. Alternate angle, but angle DAC equals to BAC. This is already given. But angle DAC is equals to angle BAC. This is already given. Why? Because AC is bisector of angle A. Clear? Then what we write? Hence what we write? Hence AC bisect angle DCB. This is solution of problem first, case first. Now, next we talk about our case 2. How we solve? We have to take triangle ABC, this one, and triangle DAC. What we write? In triangle ABC and triangle CDA, in which first of all AC equals to AC. This is common. Clear? And angle BAC is equals to angle DAC. This is already given. And angle BCA equals to angle DAC from above. Clear? Then what we said? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. When triangle are congruent, then by CPCT what we said? Therefore BC equals to DC by CPCT. Clear? But AC equals to, sorry, AB equals to DC. This is already given. Hence, what we said? Hence, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Therefore, what we said? ABCD is a rhombus. I hope this problem is clear to you. Please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.